Today, we are selling 1 million PCs every day. Yes, 1 million PCs every day. And it's not luxury, it's necessity. But the customer of these PCs are changing. And the change is dramatic, is accelerating, and it has a major impact on our ecosystem. While the overall market is growing, the major driver for this growth is the consumer. 2 billion videos viewed every day on YouTube alone. That's content consumption. People upload more than 2 million minutes of video every day. That's content creation. Because there's a confusion if people like to do consumption or creation. They like to do both, and I'll speak about it. These 2.5 billion photos are uploaded every month to Facebook alone. 2.5 billion. And those of you who look at the tweets, 24 hours ago, Randy Zuckerberg, the sister of the famous Mark Zuckerberg, on New Year Eve only, in the 2 days, people uploaded 750 million pictures. Because at the end of the day, people used to communicate with text. Today, people communicate with pictures and with video. And not simple picture, not 2 megapixels, 10 megapixels, and 15 megapixels, and not standard video, high definition video. And the demand is going up, and that's what we'll try to answer. It's all about consumption and creation of digital content, and we in Intel need to develop the technology to facilitate and enable this great user experience. And you see me repeating this word several times today. It's about user experience. But you also need, and I'll prove it to you, the performance underneath it. Not performance for the sake of performance for the sake of delivering this great user experience that every person will be able to use it without being a geek or computer hacker. But he will need the performance to deliver this great experience. People like to be innovative. The only problem is it's very complicated. Basic microprocessors that integrate the CPU, the graphic, and the media on our 32nm technology. On the core side, we have between 2 to 4 cores. Low power, high performance, performance on demand cores, which have got huge amount of innovation inside, but this will be covered in the technical speeches, not in the introduction. So these are the cores that you see over here. Here you see 4 cores. The second part is the processor graphics. The processor graphics is responsible for the 3D and the media together. We've got special dedicated media accelerators inside. And for the same time, as people say, it's the first time that we've got high definition graphic on the most new technology like the microprocessor. It's enabled us to put many more transistors, lots more functionality, much higher frequency, at the same time low leakage. Excellent solution in order to be able to do it. We've got the shared, level 3 shared cache. Only 460 million transistors. And people ask me, what is the shared cache? Is it part of the core or is it part of the processor graphics? And the answer is, yes. It's part of the core, it's part of the processor graphic, and once we integrate everything on the same chip, you'll see that there are quite a few resources that everybody is using other resources in order to be more effective, in order to give better performance and responsiveness, and in order to reduce the power consumption. Billion transistors. Just to put things in perspective, if you take one human hair, the diameter of the human hair, if you put it on this die, will cover 2,500 transistors under one human hair. Now, all of you know Moore's law, 1.16 billion transistors. Most of you, the average, the smart one, you've got 100 million neurons in your brains. So if you look at Moore's law, pretty soon we are going to go after you. So I don't want to scare anybody, but guys, over here, I've got more transistors than most of you have got in your brain. So again, if you look at Moore's law, we've got 1.16 billion transistors, but pretty soon we'll be able to increase the performance, the experience, and the things that you are going to see with this. From all-in-ones to gaming machine, to home hub, to standard desktop, notebook, ultra low voltage notebook, small form factor, you'll see the whole plethora of solutions. Paul said it, and let me repeat. 500 design wins across desktop and mobile, unprecedented. Try them, feel them, and enjoy them, because there's no way to communicate experience. I can speak with you about benchmark and about the performance, but if you want to get the experience, you need to touch it.